Hi people, this is Nettie. I'm trying to get as much light as I can. Okay, today I'm gonna make barbecue chicken with a little different. Okay, I added cinnamon, a sprinkle of cinnamon. Yeah, you're probably wondering why the hell can I put cinnamon? It tastes good. I added adobo. You know which one it is? Is this? It has salt, but if you don't have this, you could do the mixture. You know, the salt, the pepper, whatever you put in there. The adobo, it has everything in there. You know, it has salt, it has pepper, it has everything in there. So that's why we buy it, and we just dump it in there. We don't add sofrito to this. No, no, no. Oh, you have a bad chicken. Okay, so I added garlic powder. Cause I normally like to put pure garlic, but I don't have pure garlic, so I have to use the powder until my garlic are ready to come out. So I'm also gonna use barbecue sauce. Okay, I'm gonna mix. You might say that there's a lot of salt or whatever. Going, this girl is crazy. She put a lot of stuff there. No, it's that I haven't. How you call it? Shake it. And now I'm gonna put the barbecue sauce. I'm gonna leave it there for a while, and I'm gonna start making the rice. Okay, I don't know. Let me put a little front. I don't know if you could see that good, but it's dark. It's pouring. Thank God, it is pouring out here, and everything is kind of dark. So even though I got the light, I don't have the second light on, you know, because I gotta separate the lights, and I haven't done that. And well, I have to take the time to buy the thing that you need to separate them, and see if I could separate them. Okay, I always talk about this little thing. You see this? Yeah, this little thing, the coloring. What I always call the coloring. Well, this is really coriander and annatto. The annatto is the coloring part. So we use this a lot. You must say, wow, Puerto Ricans, like, they have everything in the pack. You know, they got their adobo with peppers and all that stuff. They got their coriander, annatto, and another section. And they got their sofrito. You know, all the types of peppers and basils and corianders and all that. Yeah, we do. But it makes it much easier. We don't have to chop. That's the good part about it. So, and 1, 2, 3, I just season. I was gonna say season my chicken. Now I'm gonna cover this, and then I'm gonna start on the rice. You know, we gotta give it some time to, like, penetrate in there and get all that juices really tasting good there. Okay, so. Okay, while I was cooking, I wanted to do this little thing. It is pouring, and let me see if that thunder comes out, because this is thundering also. So while I was cooking, I said, let me do this video. Of course, I'm not going outside; it's raining, so I'm gonna do it from behind the gate. How you call it? While I'm doing this, I was doing it. You know, this is the first time in months. It has rained so much. My plants outside are getting a delicious drink of water. And I just want to, you hear it? I just want to publicly say thank you, Jesus. He has made it rain. Look how beautiful. Look how it's raining. And I praise the Lord for this, because He is great. Okay, so let me go back to my cooking. Okay, let me see if I could pull it down. Okay, as you can see, there's the chicken. It looks like it's burned in here, but it's not burned. It got a little bit of dark coloring, but remember I put some barbecue sauce, so it's gonna burn a little, but that's the idea, so it could look like rustic. Okay, so now I drenched it with barbecue sauce. Why we drenched it? Because the rice is white. So this is gonna wet the rice. Okay, so now I'm gonna cover it up, and when it's time to eat, I'll just warm it up a little bit. Okay, I know it's kind of dark. I can't do much about it, but what I have here is sauce, just plain tomato sauce. I improvise because I don't have ragu. So what did I add? I add juice of Spanish olives. Since I'm not too fanatic with the olives, so I just put a little bit of juice to give it a little bit of taste. Romero, basil, a ring of onion. Well, really half because this is gonna be a small one. I just really put half onion, chopped up in small pieces. What else did I put? Adobo. I'm looking at the kitchen so I could know. A little bit of garlic. The rest of that annatto packet that I used a little bit of it, and now I use the rest on the sauce. And a little bit of, what else? Garlic. I said garlic already. Okay, so that's about it. Either way, I'm gonna write down the recipe. I always do write down the recipe, and that way I'm more calm. And since I'm having problems because I ain't got no water. I'm working with no water. I'm sweating. I ain't got no fan near me. No, I'm not that bad. It's a cool day. I'm just joking. But I don't have no water. That's for real. And I don't have no one to help me, so I'm doing this on my own. So I have to do it little by little, and plus I got the problem with the lighting and all that. So one day I'm gonna fix this. I'm gonna see if I, when I get someone, I'm gonna fix the other light. The other light goes on, but somebody has to climb up there, put it on. I can't climb, so. So anyway, while I simmer this, because I'm gonna take the sour side of the sauce. Well, I simmer this because I'm going to use the same little casserole, old-fashioned casserole. I love this casserole. I got two old ones. I got the big one that you can make the rice and this little one. And it might not look pretty, but hey, I have it for years. So I'm going to simmer this so all the sourness goes. While I simmer this, I'm going to peel the potatoes. I'm doing the potatoes. The potatoes is like ring size, like if you were chopping an onion, in rings. So this is a ring size. I add some pepper, garlic again. I love garlic. Then you add some water and boil it. Yes, you just want it soft but not mushy soft. Just enough to be cooked. So and have that golden look. Okay, so I'm almost about to start everything. So I'll give you the next part. So this is what it looks like. Oh, white and a little bit of red in between. Okay, so this is the pot, my electric oven, and how you call it? See how it looks later on. Then I'm gonna show the plating all together. Okay, so this is the end. Okay, you see my potato lasagna and barbecue chicken and rice. Okay, you might say, where's the rice? Not too much rice? Well, I have a stomach condition. That's why I don't eat too much rice. It gives me a lot of stomach ache. But I love rice. So, but I'm going to supplement it with the potato. Okay, so this is how it looks. I hope you like it. And it tastes good. I already tasted it. Because I can't taste it and, hold the camera. But it tastes good. So, try it out. Try it out and see if you like it. It's more healthy than using so much meat. But I only got 5 pieces of, wings. So, saying this, God bless you all, and I hope you all like it. Bye-bye.